I want you all to listen very carefully to the sounds that come from this babbling brook. I'm in downtown Colonial Williamsburg, and there's not a soul to be seen here. Just the sounds of water running over the rocks in this babbling brook. Just about a half a block off the Duke of Gloucester Street. It's very serene. I'll show you a little bit more of the water running through this babbling brook. And here we have an old bridge. Now let's go back to the heart of things, where all the babbling sounds are coming from. There they are, coming through that drain tile, coming from the land above. And now a little bit to the other side. I trust you all have enjoyed this little short segment of the Babbling Brook.